UltraViewer tutorial for beginners. So this application is supposed to be used for controlling your PCs remotely. So maybe if you're away and you wish to control your PC, maybe transfer some files or video edits, whatever you wish, or you're just working, maybe you own some company and you wish to just provide assistance to some people with their computers. With this software, you can do that pretty easily. So in order to start, of course, let's download the app and then let us install it. The installation process is pretty simple. Just next. Alright, installation is now complete. We can finish and launch the app. Alright, let me just minimize this and let me see what can we have here. So this is going to be our window with our interface. And guys, these remote control apps are all mostly the same. You don't really have to do things much differently from one to another. So for example, if maybe in the past you've used something like TeamViewer or something, or Rust Desk, it's not going to be much different. So what do we have? So in order to control a remote computer, well, let's say it's our friend. If we want to control our friend's computer, we will need to have from them such things. Partner ID, which we will insert in here, and their corresponding password. Without these credentials, without these details, you will not be able to connect. And how do you get them? You just ask from them for that ID and password. As you can see, these are mine, right? So if I want someone to connect to me, I will just have to provide these details to them. Then they just insert them right over here. Let's say, let me just do that. I insert this here, the password, and then you just press on connect to a partner. Then what happens to them on their side? They just, of course, need to confirm you connecting to their PC. They confirm it, and then you just use their system just like you would anywhere on your computer. You can just use the mouse, you can use your keyboard to type, you can do whatever you wish. And of course you can use the system as well, like you know, messing around with settings and stuff. You can do that easily. And also, if you wish to pretty much allow the unattended access, you can actually do that. So this means that whenever you connect or attempt connecting to someone else's PC, you won't have to wait for their confirmation. You just set a one-time password that will allow you to connect every time, and you just, you know, press the button and instantly connect to them. So without the confirmation. But of course, keep in mind that this kind of leads to some kind of security concerns, I would say. It's not totally safe, but if you trust that person completely and you don't want to spend additional time every time to confirm them connecting to your computer, then this is a good feature. Also, as you can see, you can, that's pretty impressive, you can enable this checkmark here, and you can actually allow the remote computer to be woken up, right? So you can just turn it on. If it's maybe asleep or turned off, you can actually turn it on, which is pretty cool. And to do that, you just press in here, you choose when you can turn it on, choose whether it's going to be from asleep or hibernate state, and then you can do it. Also, if we go ahead and open up the settings right here, options, you will see that there are certain settings that we can also mess around with. Connection, well, usually I would recommend just leaving this alone. In remote control, you can, as you can see, set the remote wallpaper. It's just a customization stuff that you can choose. Then in security, you can choose the strength of your password. As you can see, there's going to be a random password. In access, you can set a custom password and auto startup. Also, we have a chat. If you wish to chat with that person, you can do that by pressing F1. Also, as you can see, we can set where the chat history is stored if you wish to save the chat. We have the password storage and also the voice chat. You just choose your microphone, say I choose mine, and then you can just go ahead and talk to them. And that's pretty much it. So once again, you just insert your ID, password from them, and they connect to you or you connect to them. That's pretty much your little tutorial, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.